You are watching HobbyKit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to HobbyKit channel. In today's session, I'm going to explain how I prepared my code for personal assistant Jessie in my previous video. So for that, I will open my pycharm community edition. Yes, I have opened my pycharm IDE and click on file, click on new project and name it as you wish and click on create. Make sure that you have selected virtual environment. If you are searching for how to install pycharm IDE, then I have already created a video on that, how to install pycharm IDE on Windows 10. So you can go through the video by the link provided in the description and as well as the iCard which is over top right. So we are creating a virtual environment to our project. It will take a few seconds of time. Yes, now we are ready to work with our code. Delete the code and click on the link given in the description. This is the link. This is the link for the code. And paste it in browser and click on code. Simply copy the code, control copy and paste it. Don't worry, now you will get n number of errors. Yeah, you have got 6 errors. Click on terminal and type pip install. Sorry, you should not use capital letters. Pip install pytts63 and click on enter. You need to download all these libraries in order to use our personal assistant. Yes, it is taking some time. Yes, similarly, you need to install all these libraries with a line called pip install speech recognition and click on enter. If you are getting any error that pip is not recognized as internal or external, then I have sorted out this problem and I have already made a video on this, and I will give the link in the description as well as the iCard over here top right. you can sort out the problem. And also install pyjokes, pyjokes, and pip install worm alpha 12 and pip install requests and pip install Wikipedia for making Wikipedia searches. In my case, the requirement is already satisfied, but you will get downloaded the library. And also pip install pyaudio. Pip install pyaudio. So you will get an error. You cannot. You are unable to install the pyaudio library. So go to the again and select the pyaudio and click on view raw. Now download this file under which you are using the main program Python file. Click on Python projects. Yes, in my personal assistant I'm using in venue. Click on library, select site packages and download the file over that location. After downloading, click on show on folder and now right click on it, click on properties and copy this name, and in the topmost column open the command prompt, cmd enter and type pip install and paste the name. It is showing that required already satisfied. Now close this command prompt, copy the file and come back to library venue scripts and paste over here. Repeat the same thing. Right click on it, click on properties, select the name, copy the name, open command prompt, open command prompt, pip install Control V and enter. So now you have successfully installed your pyaudio library. That's it. Now come back to the code. So we have 0 errors. You can see here. As the video is taking so longer, I have partitioned the video into two parts. In my next video, I will explain the code.
Good afternoon. Tell me a secret word.
If you like this video, do subscribe,
Hey
share
Stricker, I am Jesse, your personal assistant.
and
How can I
comment the
help you?
video.